Hello, this is the Wild Grass. In this video, we'll be learning about how to install PyCharm on any Linux operating system. So, without further introduction, let's get started. First, open a web browser. Use the link jetbrains.com/pycharm/download to navigate yourself to the PyCharm download page. On the PyCharm download page, select a package that you want to download, then click on the download button for that respective package. In my situation, I wish to download the PyCharm Community Edition, so I will need to scroll down a bit to be able to click on the download button for the PyCharm Community Edition. The download button for PyCharm Community Edition is visible to me now, so I will click on it and wait for the download to be completed. When the download is complete, open your download folder. Extract the file that you just downloaded. After that, you may close your download file and close your web browser. Now, open your terminal. On most Linux distributions, you can open the terminal by using the terminal shortcut, Ctrl-O-T, or by opening the terminal app. Navigate yourself to the download folder in the terminal by typing in the terminal cd space followed by the name of your download folder, then press enter. Next, navigate yourself to the PyCharm folder you extracted by typing in the terminal cd space PyCharm, then press tab and then enter. Then navigate yourself to the bin folder inside the PyCharm folder by typing in the terminal cd space bin and then press enter. Now type in the terminal /pycharm.sh and then press enter. After that's done and you see the PyCharm setup window, that means congratulations, you should have successfully installed the PyCharm. Now let's set up PyCharm. On the first page of PyCharm setup window, you will see JetBrains privacy policy. I recommend that you read the privacy policy. If you accept the privacy policy, click to check the box for I confirm that I have read and accept the term of this user agreement. If the box is not checked, then you will not be able to continue with the PyCharm setup. If you did check the box, the next step is to click on the continue button. On this page of PyCharm setup window, PyCharm will ask you if you want to send data to JetBrains. You can choose to either select don't send or send anonymous statistics. In my case, I will select don't send. If you see the Welcome to PyCharm window, then congratulations, you have successfully set up PyCharm. Now, we need to verify if you have successfully installed and set up PyCharm. In the Welcome to PyCharm window, click on New Project. In the New Project window, make sure the base interpreter is filled out. The base interpreter should automatically be filled out for you if you have already installed Python. If you do not see these options, then that most likely means you have not installed Python and will need to install it. If you need to install Python on Linux, I have made a video on it. I'll put a link to that video in the description of this video if you need it. When you are satisfied with everything in the new project window, click on the Create button. Here you can see our Python project we just created, Python project, and inside we will see an example Python script, main.py. Run the Python script by hitting the green triangle button located at the upper right of the screen. If you see Hi PyCharm, then congratulations, you have verified that you have successfully installed the PyCharm. And that's a video. In the next video, we'll be talking about the basic of programming, Python, and IDE. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with a friend. If you're feeling generous and want to support me, please consider donating to me on Patreon. The link to it will be in the description of the video. The Wild Grass, signing out.